Hello and welcome to Green Street. Whether you're a household, a curious individual, or a business, the following steps will guide you to start your sustainable journey. To access the resources in this video, you'll need to sign up, and we'll be taking you through the free resources at Green Street. So let's start by finding out how sustainable you are. On the right-hand side of your page, click on the shortcut, Review My Score and Pledges. If you haven't done so already, the questions will show up blank. After you have completed these questions, to the best of your ability, scroll down to the bottom and click Calculate. It will then suggest improvements on how to improve your score. We recommend you start by picking 5. These will be saved into your account to look back on. Now let's give you some strategies to attaining your goals. So let's go back to the home page by clicking the Green Street logo at the top left corner of your screen. Next, we are going to scroll down to the Green Street Badges tab here. Review the guide and click on the hyperlink, See All Green Street Badges here. These badges will provide some strategies that you can do to become more sustainable. We encourage you to start by picking one badge to work towards. Make this one of the areas you identified in your Green Street score. At any point, if you feel you are struggling to implement strategies, you can get extra guidance through Green Tips. To find these, scroll right down to the bottom of your web page, and this will be under Resources. Have a look through the tips and explore the resources that are offered. When you have accomplished your goal, go back to the Green Street score and pick another area you would like to improve and start this process all over again. For more information, please visit our How to Start page. To get here, scroll down to the bottom again and click Support. And then click How to Get Started with Green Street. That's the end of this video. We wish you luck on your sustainable journey.